Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a places transition effect in CapCut for PC. Alright, so go to media and select your media selected. Alright, you can go to transition and select the light. You can find the places. Just add the track and adjust for the duration in 0.4 second. Oh yeah, you can set for the image version in 1.0 second. So play to all the clips and this is the final effect you'll have on your video. You can also add the effect you like here. Just add to track. Alright. Yeah, so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.